Welcome. If you're tired of getting push notifications every time a creator you follow posts a new pin on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off these notifications on your PC, especially after the latest Pinterest update. Let's jump right in and make your Pinterest experience a little quieter. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Settings. This will open up a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open up your notification preferences. Here, you'll see different types of notifications that Pinterest can send you, including email, push, and more. Scroll down until you find the section called Activity from Creators. Under this section, there's an option labeled New Pins from Creators you follow. This is the setting that controls whether you get push notifications when someone you follow posts a new pin. To stop receiving these notifications, simply disable the push option for new pins from creators you follow. This means Pinterest will no longer send you those pop-up notifications on your device whenever a creator you follow adds something new. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This ensures your new settings are applied and you won't have to repeat the process. And that's it. You've now successfully turned off push notifications for new pins from creators you follow on Pinterest. Enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience without constant interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.